हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको अ गर्ल विद द बास्केट बाय विलियम सी डगलस के एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। फर्स्ट है आई वुड आस्क एट लीस्ट से लेकर के एटीट्यूड्स एंड रिपोर्ट्स। पैरा सेकेंड रेफरेंसेस दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन अ गर्ल विद द बास्केट रिटन बाय विलियम सी डगलस। Context है विलियम सी डगलस, a judge of Supreme Court of the USA, visited India in 1950. He went from Delhi to Bareilly by train. On his way to Ranikhet, he got down at each station. In these lines, the writer describes how he talked to the people to know their real condition. Explanation: the writer found that 1 out of 3 Indians could speak English. He talked to the people who spoke English. He talked to the people on world politics and on every important topic of the day. In this way, he wanted to check the real feelings and opinions of the people with official views and government reports. As a doctor feels the pulse of the patient, the writer talked to the people to know the एक्चुअल कंडीशन ऑफ द कंट्री। नेक्स्ट है एट वन स्टेशन माई रूटीन से लेकर के कन्वेइंग अनमिस्टेकेबली देयर डिजायर्स। पैरा फोर्थ है रेफरेंस दी लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन अ गर्ल विद ए बास्केट बाय विलियम सी डगलस। कॉन्टेक्स्ट द ऑथर वाज ट्रेवलिंग इन ए ट्रेन एट एवरी रेलवे स्टेशन ही स्टीप्ड डाउन ऑन द platform and walked there. At one station, a group of the refugee children gathered around him. The children were very poor and wanted to sell basket and fans. Explanation: the author got down at every station, walked on the platform and talked to the people, but at one station the author could not do so. As soon as he got down at a station, a group of the small refugee children surrounded him. All of them held hand-woven baskets in their hands. The baskets were made of reeds. Those were made in simple designs. All those children raised their basket high to the author and shouted words in Hindi. The author failed to understand those words because he did not follow Hindi, but he could understand the desire of the children very well, that they all wanted him to purchase their basket. Gather means इकट्ठे हो गए, around means चारों ओर, surrounded means made circle, घेर लिया, held means caught पकड़े हुए थे, hand woven means हाथ से बुनी हुई, reeds means सरकंडे, raised means lifted high ऊंचे उठाए हुए, shouted means cried पुकारते थे, to understand means समझना, did not follow means did not understand समझता नहीं था, to purchase means to buy खरीदना। नेक्स्ट है they were poor से लेकर के died where they fell। पैरा फिफ्थ है यूपी बोर्ड 94 और 96 में ये आया है। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट द ऑथर इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द pitiable condition of the refugee who had left their homes and had to come to India from Pakistan in 1947. Explanation: when the refugees left their homes in Pakistan, they became very poor. Their long journey to India made them further poorer because they had to spend money on their food etc. They had left all their property in Pakistan. The only poetry they could carry with them was some food and some very necessary articles. The food did not last long. Hunger made them very weak, so many of them fell on the way and died on hunger and weakness. इज डिस्क्राइबिंग मीन्स वर्णन कर रहा है, पिटीएबल मीन्स दयनीय सोचनी, रिफ्यूजी मीन्स शरणार्थी, लेफ्ट मीन्स छोड़ा, प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स संपत्ति, नेसेसरी आर्टिकल्स मीन्स आवश्यक वस्तुएं, लास्ट लॉन्ग मीन्स बहुत दिनों तक, नहीं चला, हंगर मीन्स भूख। नेक्स्ट है दैट नो डाउट इज द रीजन से लेकर के हैड सीन, पैरा 6 है, रेफरेंस सेम है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट हियर द ऑथर इज thinking about the poor condition of the refugee children. Those children had come to him to sell their basket. Explanation: the young refugee children came like locusts and surrounded the author. They were shouting in Hindi. The author understood that those children wanted him to purchase their basket. They and their parents were very poor. They needed money for their food. The author knew about their poverty. The children knew that an American gentleman could surely be a very good customer. Therefore, they pressed him to buy their basket. Surrounded means घेर लिया गया, locust means टिड्डी, shouting means पुकारना, poverty means गरीबी, customer means ग्राहक। नेक्स्ट द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट, एग्रेसिव से लेकर के रिंगिंग एनी हार्ट, पैरा 7, रेफरेंस सेम, कॉन्टेक्स्ट द ऑथर वाज वेरी मच इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द अपीयरेंस ऑफ ए लिटिल रिफ्यूजी गर्ल। इन दी लाइन्स ही डिस्क्राइब्स द गर्ल एंड नरेट्स हर एक्शन। एक्सप्लेनेशन: देयर वाज ए क्राउड ऑफ रिफ्यूजी चिल्ड्रन सेलिंग बास्केट बट द ऑथर वाज इम्प्रेस्ड बाय ए लिटिल girl of 9 years who stood just in front of him. She looked beautiful. Her attempts were quite strong as a seller of her basket. Her basket was pretty to look at. It had a handle too. She wanted to sell the basket for 1.5 rupees. It was about 30 cents in American currency. She made powerful appeal to him so that he might buy her basket. She looked very poor. There were tears in her eyes. The author's heart was moved by the pitiable quest of the girl. Appearance means स्वरूप, narrates means विवरण देता है, impressed means प्रभावित हुआ, attempt means चेष्टाएं, pitiable means करुण, दयनीय। नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है पैरा है दिस चाइल्ड ऑफ 9 से लेकर के हैंडेड द मनी बैक टू मी, पैरा 8 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये 1990 और 94 में आया, रेफरेंस सेम है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट हियर द राइटर डिस्क्राइब द रिएक्शन ऑफ द लिटिल रिफ्यूजी गर्ल व्हेन ही गेव हर 15 cents एज गिफ्ट विदाउट बाइंग हर बास्केट। एक्सप्लेनेशन: द ऑथर एक्सप्लेन्स दैट शी वाज वेरी little girl of 9 years. Her clothes were worn out. She was very poor, but she did not like money in charity. She was not at a beggar. She wanted money on selling her basket to the author. She lifted her face with pride and returned the money to the author. At that moment she behaved like a proud and graceful lady. Through she was a poor starving girl of 9 only. Reaction means प्रतिक्रिया, गिफ्ट मीन्स उपहार दान, born out मीन्स फटे हुए, graceful मीन्स शानदार, starving मीन्स भूख से मरती हुई। नेक्स्ट है द पीपल आई सा इन इंडिया से लेकर के पैशन फॉर इंडिपेंडेंस, ये पैरा 10 है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, यूपी बोर्ड 1989 में आया था। रेफरेंस सेम है, कॉन्टेक्स्ट द ऑथर इज सो मच इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द सेल्फ रिस्पेक्टिंग बिहेवियर ऑफ द लिटिल रिफ्यूजी गर्ल दैट ही प्रेजेज द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया फॉर देयर वर्च्यू। Explanation: during his visit, the writer saw people living in village. He also saw the educated and cultured top-class officer. He found that people of both these groups were full of self-respect. They knew how to behave decently and were good citizens. They loved freedom. The writer felt deep praise for these qualities of Indians. इम्प्रेस्ड मीन्स प्रभावित हुआ, सेल्फ रेस्पेक्टिंग आत्मसम्मान से भरा हुआ, बिहेवियर मीन्स व्यवहार, रिफ्यूजी मीन्स शरणार्थी, वर्च्यू मीन्स सद्गुण, कल्चर्ड मीन्स सभ्य, टॉप क्लास मीन्स सर्वोच्च, डिसेंटली मीन्स शिष्टता से, सिटीजन्स मीन्स नागरिक। नेक्स्ट है दिस ब्यूटीफुल चाइल्ड से लेकर के वॉर्न सोल ऑफ इंडिया। पैरा 10 है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यूपी बोर्ड 1989 और 96 में आया था। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट, द ऑथर वाज वेरी मच इम्प्रेस्ड विद द सेंस ऑफ सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट एंड बिहेवियर ऑफ द पुअर रिफ्यूजी गर्ल ऑफ 9। हियर ही गिव्स हिज कमेंट्स ऑन द सेम गर्ल। Explanation, the author says that the beautiful little girl was born in a dirty and poor place. Her family was also very poor. The author found that the refugee girl was fully uneducated. She had no knowledge of grammar. She was not trained in good and cultured behavior. Even then, the self-respecting behavior of the poor small girl gave the author a clear idea of the liveliness found in the people of India. She represented the warm soul of India. Sense means भावना, dirty means गंदी, liveliness means जीवंत रहन सहन। नेक्स्ट है द रूट ले थ्रू वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट से लेकर के थाउजेंड्स ऑफ एक्रेस ऑफ राइस। पैरा थर्ड है, रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट, द ऑथर वाज गोइंग फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली टू बरेली इन ए ट्रेन। इन दिस पैसेज ही डिस्क्राइब द लैंड द ट्रेन वाज रनिंग थ्रू। एक्सप्लेनेशन, द ट्रेन वाज रनिंग बिटवीन न्यू दिल्ली एंड बरेली. It was the vast plain and north of the river Ganga. The whole plain was 1,000 feet above the level of the sea, yet was tropical in climate. It means that its climates had not long summer and heavy rainfalls. It was one of the best agricultural lands of India. If being the rainy season, the Ganga was overflowing its banks. Its flood had covered thousands of acres of rice field. The flood had brought loose brown sand also. ट्रॉपिकल मीन्स गर्म व वर्षा वाले मौसम के स्थान। क्लाइमेट मीन्स मौसम। समर मीन्स ग्रीष्म ऋतु। नेक्स्ट, आई हैड लेफ्ट न्यू दिल्ली से लेकर के स्नो कैप्ड हिमालयस। पैरा फर्स्ट है, रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इन दीज लाइन्स द ऑथर स्पीक्स ऑफ ए जर्नी रानीखेत एंड द हिमालयस। Explanation, the writer says that he wanted to go to the Himalaya. That is why he boarded a train from New Delhi. His plan was to get down at the station of Bareilly. From Bareilly, he was to go further into the hills in a car. He wanted to reach Ranikhet. Ranikhet is a hill station. It was a famous cantonment of the British Army during the British rule. It is located on a ridge at the height of 6,000 feet above the sea level. On the other side of the ridge, one can see a 120 miles range of the snow-covered peaks of the Himalayas. Border means got in, चढ़ गया. Further means आगे. Station means स्थान. Cantonment means army camp, सेना का शिविर. Rule means राज्य. Located means स्थापित है. Range means विस्तार. Peaks means शिखर. नेक्स्ट, आई टोल्ड दिस स्टोरी टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर से लेकर के वैकेंसी एंड सिटीजनशिप। पैरा 9 है, यूपी बोर्ड 2003 में आया था। ये 9 और 10 पैरा है। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट, द राइटर वाज हाईली इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द सेल्फ रिस्पेक्टफुल बिहेवियर ऑफ द गर्ल हु हैड ए बास्केट टू सेल। एक्सप्लेनेशन, द respectful manner, bold behavior, and the attractive personality of the poor refugee girl had so much impressed the writer that he told it to Pandit Nehru, the Prime Minister of India. The impression created by this girl inspired the writer of Love India. The writer had found that the people of India, whether the common villagers or the top officers, behave decently. They have a good sense of self-respect. They are proud citizens of newly independent of India. Thanks, best of luck.